I'll try the Heybike Tyson now and see how it will go. So it's a foldable bike, looks like large. So I'm 5'11", let's see how easy. And I'm 5'11". Yeah, I think if you're 5'9", you can still be okay on this bike. And it does have adjustable, looks like adjustable handlebar, can go up if you need to, but I will not move anything. So it comes with turn signals, looks like light, nice display, hey bike, everything like branded. So let's go and see. I'll put on the mode number 1. It comes with nice RSX hydraulic disc brakes, looks like. They're all sensitive, like on when you touch the brakes it will cut off the power right away, which is good. Oh, looks like foldable pedals. I have horn too, nice horn. And it looks like to me that there's thumb throttle attached to pedal assist. So it means when you on pedal assist 1, it will go only to the speed up to the power of pedal assist. So basically, if you want to go thumb throttle all the way on high speed available, you have to press thumb throttle and make the pedal assist to level, let's see how, level 5. So some of them bikes come like that. I prefer independent pedals, like thumb throttle, so you basically press on it and you can go to top speed, versus to this one you have to set up to level 5 in order to go to the top speed. And it comes with 7 Shimano shifter. And I might review one more bike, but this one might be the last one. A little bit, it's almost end of the show today. I'll try to ride off-road over here to see how the bikes are doing and show you and make some pictures for you. So this is a Heybike Tyson. It looks like rough. The suspension not bad. I didn't like feel much difference, but I'm gonna try more. It's very hard to figure out how well the suspension works because it's mostly flat over here, so it's not really the best place to try it. Of course, if they send me one, I will able to take it off-road and give you more experience, but that's for now. I can show you what it comes with. It comes with Heybike headlight, which is real cool, with signals over here, so it shows left signals. Nice cable management over here. Oh, okay. And they want me to go
walk around at the booth.
Oh, got it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave. So I'm not supposed to be doing videos here, I guess, by the booth, but anyways, I guess nobody likes Heybikes. They kick me out. Anyways, oh, that bike is fun, small one and fun to ride, so it's not bad. Well, let's see how suspension. Actually, yeah, I can feel like the rear suspension give you soft ride. So basically, it does give you better soft ride, which is great. The torque, I would not say it's a lot of torque. I have some bicycle with more torque, but it's foldable, so it's not bad. Again, this is just quick review, which quick experience. I don't take this whole review very seriously because they're just quick.